Hi and welcome to a tutorial for removing flaky, pimply skin on a gorgeous little one for the Newborn Photography Business School. So far I've imported a photo into Photoshop. We're going to grab a new layer. Now there's a couple of different ways that you can do this depending on the amount of flakiness or the amount of newborn acne. We go over here to this side and we bring up the spot healing brush. This is a fantastic little tool. We enlarge the image and what you do is just change the brush size and simply spot it on. It then captures whatever you want and removes it. So we would do that for all the little tiny pieces. Again, just adjusting the brush size. See how you've got this little bit of material that's gone on to the little one's face. Just a simple adjustment there. Remove all the flakes. Now again, it really depends on your editing style and also the parents as to how much, whether they would like the whole amount of flakiness removed or whether they just like the bigger sections. It's entirely up to you. So what I would then do to try and get rid of some of the larger spots, I would then go back over to this area here and select the patch tool. You simply then grab a section, move it to just slightly next to it. Grab the area that you would like to remove or to replace and just simply move it to very close to where you are because you want the same shadows, you want the same lighting. See how that's removed that? Now if I go back, there's the existing photo, the original photo, and then this is the one that we're doing now. I would then just remove some of these little lines here with the patches on it. Again here. Again, you're just doing little bits at a time, grabbing the area and then moving it off to the next. So we'll move the photo down. We've got this larger one here, so circle that. I will just bring that up a bit. See how it's gone slightly dark? You just need to keep patching on the upper lip. This can be a little bit time consuming, but it does give you a perfect result to removing all or some of the flaky skin. This little mark down here. And I would just adjust this little red patch there. Fantastic. Now, depending on what you like to, you can also remove these little bits of the material, the extra thread, just so it's not distracting from the eye in the hair. Again, personal preference as to whether you like to do that or not like to do that. And I would actually capture this little red mark here and just move that off to the side. So we'll look at a before, which is there. I'll just do that. And after there. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, everybody, and we hope to see you soon.